Floor signs help create a safe, intuitive environment for workers. However, high-traffic environments can make maintaining readable floor signs a challenge. In these cases, industrial label protection can be used to create signs that will stand the test of time. For this project, we're using a LabelTac Pro X printer to generate custom floor signs with barcodes. For a more detailed guide on creating this type of label, check out our video here. Before installing your label, make sure your entire work surface is clean. Next, peel the backing from your label and install it. With our sign in place, it's time to add the industrial label protection. Start by laying out the desired length. Make sure to use industrial label protection that is 1 to 2 inches larger than your label to allow some overlap. Remove the backing, then apply your label protection. For a complete guide to installing labels and signs, check out our video here. For even more harsh high-stress environments, heavy-duty industrial label protection adds an additional level of defense, so your floor signs remain clear and visible for years to come. LabelTac printers, together with industrial label protection, allow for custom floor signs that can be printed on demand, keeping your workplace lean and agile. For more information, visit creativesafetysupply.com.